Good morning, students. Today, I'll give you hints of the exercise 12.2 of chapter LPP. Open the book, read the statement, words problems are there. I have framed briefing in the table, briefing of the question in the table, and you have to just read the statement from your book and try to understand the questions which are given in words form. Now in the question number first, two types of foods are given. First type of food having 3 units of vitamin A and 5 units of vitamin B, and maximum it is here cost is given to you 60 rupees per kg of the mixture, and food Q it is 4, vitamin A is given 4 units and vitamin B is given 2 units and vitamin A is at least 8 and it is at least 11 vitamin B. So what? First of all, you have to assume the mixture contains P type of food, that is X kg, and mixture contains Q food, that is Y kg. So what? Vitamin A 3 and 4. When you are mixing the food, P and Q types of foods, then this constant becomes 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8. And the constants here in the case of vitamin B becomes 5x plus 2y greater than or equal to 11. And you have to minimize the cost. You have to mix the food. Mixture food cost should be minimum. And rate is given here 60 per kg for the food P, and for the food Q it is given 80 rupees per kg. If X kgs are there in the food P, so 60 into X, and per kg Y, then rate is 80 into Y, then 80Y, and minimize as Z, that is equal to 60X plus 80Y. Solve the questions. Here you have to note down the point which is very important in this question. In this question, no 1 point you will get for the minimizing the cost. You will get 2 points and a line segment made by these 2 points you will get to minimize the cost. It means answer is not a single point. 2 points make a line segment, and that line segment is the answer, because at 8.3, 0 and 2, 1 by 2, you will get minimum value at both. Same value will get at the both points, and these 2 points are the corner point of the question. And by joining these points, you will get a line segment, and that line segment is the answer of the question. Remember it and note down. In question number second, you have to make 2 types of cakes. Let first type of cakes are X and second type of cakes are Y. You have to read the statement from your NCERT book. I have not written here a statement. I am just discussing the hints of the questions. Open the book and read the statement carefully. And let the first type of cakes are X and second type of cakes are Y. And you have to maximize the cakes. Number of cakes should be maximum. Then that's why maximize Z is X plus Y. Here flour quantity and fat quantity is given to you. If first type of cakes are X and second type of cakes are Y, it means that will be 200X plus 100Y, that is less than or equal to 5,000. In the question, it is written 5 kg. Convert it into gram. It becomes 5,000 gram. It means inequality becomes 200x plus 100y less than or equal to 5,000. Simplify it, you will get 2x plus y less than or equal to 50. This is the first equation. Second one is for the fats, it is also 1 kg is given. Convert it into grams, same units. Conversion should be in a same unit. Okay, 25x plus 50y less than or equal to 1000. Simplify it, you will get x plus 2y less than or equal to 42. Inequalities are here. Now draw the graph, get the corner points and get the solution on maximum value. In the third question, number of rackets and bats are there. I have supposed here that the number of rackets X and number of bats are Y. Tennis rackets, I'm talking about the tennis rackets. So here I have written tennis rackets, machine time 1.5 hours, and craftsman's time, that is 3 hours, and profit is given for the tennis, it is tennis racket is 20, and for the cricket bat it is 10. I have framed the table. Read the statement. What information is given to you? All information is given in this table. Now what? Inequality becomes 1.5x plus 3y, that will be less than equal to 42, and 3x plus y is less than equal to 24, and maximize the profit. Z will be equal to 20x plus 10y. I think you can understand how to make the constraints. First of all, make the table. What information are given to you? Collect the information and make the constraints and optimization statement. In the next question before, nuts and bolts information is given to you. Machine A and machine B work is given. That is, I have briefed here in the table. Nuts for the machine first 1 and bolts 3. Machine B are 3 and 1, and it is less than equal to 12. Both are less than equal to 12. And you have to maximize the profit, that is 17.5. Zero cost for the nuts, and for the bolts it is 7. Now number of manufactured the bolts is equal to X package and Y package. Nuts and bolts both are supposed here. Constants are what? X plus 3y will be equal to less than equal to 12, and 3x plus y less than equal to 12. And positive constant, first quadrant constants are x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0, and optimization statement, Z will be equal to 17.5x plus 7y. I have framed 4 questions for you to understand the question, how the information is collected in the tabular form. Then the tabular form can be converted into the constraints and optimization statement. Do the question like this, you will get answer easily, and you will get the solution in a very easy way. I have given next hints also to you. Just you have to frame table you're on. Make the table you're on. Check whether your constants are right or wrong. You can tally the constants. I have given here constants of questions 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. I have given all hints to you. Make the table first, then make the constraints, and do the question further for the graph and corner point steps. I hope these information will give you help to do the questions of exercise, do the questions of words problem by getting the hint from this video. Thank you. Have a knowledgeable day.